TinyTask versus AutoHotKey can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks effectively. Choosing the right tool can enhance productivity without the frustration of manual processes. Let's explore both options. TinyTask and AutoHotKey are two popular automation tools, each designed for different users. TinyTask is user-friendly and ideal for simple tasks, while AutoHotKey offers advanced scripting capabilities for more complex automation needs. TinyTask is a lightweight automation tool that records and plays back user actions on a computer. It is designed for simplicity, allowing users to record mouse movements and keyboard inputs effortlessly. With its minimalistic interface, TinyTask is perfect for those who need to automate repetitive tasks like data entry or file management without diving into complex programming. The main strength of TinyTask lies in its ease of use, making it accessible for users with limited technical skills. However, its limitations include a lack of advanced features and customization options compared to scripting tools. TinyTask is ideal for casual users or small businesses looking to improve efficiency with straightforward automation solutions. AutoHotKey is a powerful scripting language for Windows that enables users to create custom scripts for automating almost any task. Unlike TinyTask, AutoHotKey allows for extensive customization and flexibility, making it suitable for advanced users who require complex automation solutions. Users can create scripts to perform tasks such as remapping keys, creating shortcuts, and automating repetitive workflows. The strengths of AutoHotKey include its vast community support and extensive documentation, which help users learn and implement advanced features. However, the learning curve can be steep for beginners as it requires some familiarity with programming concepts. AutoHotKey is ideal for tech-savvy individuals or businesses looking to automate intricate processes and enhance productivity. When comparing TinyTask and AutoHotKey, consider your automation needs. TinyTask is perfect for users seeking a quick and easy solution for basic tasks, such as recording a series of clicks or keystrokes. For example, a user might use TinyTask to automate repetitive data entry in a spreadsheet. On the other hand, AutoHotKey shines in scenarios requiring complex automation, like creating a custom keyboard shortcut that performs multiple actions simultaneously. While TinyTask is straightforward and user-friendly, AutoHotKey provides the flexibility to tackle more sophisticated tasks. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or advanced functionality in your automation tool. If you need a simple and effective solution for basic automation tasks, TinyTask is the clear choice. For users looking for advanced automation capabilities and customization, AutoHotKey is the way to go. Both tools have their unique strengths, so choose based on your specific needs to maximize your productivity.